Okay, so I'm Nathan Mcclain. I am from the DC area. Why did I why did I decide to attend Drone Command Live? I decided to attend Drone Command Live because I'm getting serious about starting this business. Like, I've had a drone business for about the past 2 or 3 years, but hadn't really started it because I haven't really known what to do. Granted, I've done some projects and had great work, great feedback, but I feel like it could be better. I feel like the business could be better. And so this past year, I've kind of taken some classes through the VA, um, Boots to Business, and the Boots to Business Revenue Readiness course. And now this just seemed like the next logical step to before I go out here and make a bunch of mistakes. What are my biggest takeaways from the event so far? Um, just that I didn't know what I didn't know. Um, it's like if I had tried to start yesterday, there were things today, especially when it comes to using platitudes that I've been doing and not even realize I've been doing it. But it's also why I struggle to explain what I'm trying to accomplish in the drone space. And I think I have a better answer for that now. What was great about attending virtually? Well, for a good chunk of today, I was at my daughter's track practice. So I was able to be at her track practice, but still be in the meeting. And so I got to hear everything that I needed to hear. And it was awesome. And compared to most of the other drone business classes like this I've seen online, they are um, like you have to come out there, which is an added expense and then taking away from the ability to do other things here. And one of the reasons why I want to get in the business for myself is so that I could spend more time with my family. Um, what would I say to someone who's on the fence about attending Drone Command Live? So far, there's been some great information, and the VIP one-on-one session, I would, well, not one-on-one, but it was the VIP session with the instructors is worth the price of admission alone. I learned a lot in there just about how to temper my expectations. Um, the most valuable lessons. Oh, that well, there it is. Tempering my expectations, but also finding a better way to approach what my business does, and basically to rather than focus on what I know the drones can do, to focus more on how I can bring value to my customers and use that as my pitch instead of, like I was saying earlier, using platitudes. If I had to describe Damon and Diego, someone who's never met them, they are excited. They are down to earth, and they definitely don't talk in a manner that feels like it would be above anybody. And they don't they don't cut any cards. They don't mince any words. You know, if you mention something to them that doesn't sound like a great plan of action, they will let you know in a kind way, a friendly way to like rethink how you're thinking about things. And I think that's one of the hardest things to do as any type of teacher. I'm a professor for game design, and it's difficult to give um, critical feedback, but also feedback that ultimately gets a person receiving the feedback to actually understand why they're getting the critical feedback. So I think they do a really good job at that. Um, and and I think that's everything. Thank you, and I will see you all tomorrow.